Now, India's pharmaceutical sector, which is the world's largest supplier of generic medicines, is growing at a rapid pace. And according to a McKinsey report, pharmaceutical exports rose at 9% annually in 2024, nearly twice the global average. India now meets 20% of global drug demand, supplying 40% of US generic market and 25% of the UK market. The country has also surpassed the US in FDA-approved manufacturing sites. India's pharma sector continues to expand at an 8% compound annual growth rate, strengthening its capabilities in active pharmaceutical ingredients and biotechnology. Emerging treatments are growing even faster at 13 to 14% growth rate. Meanwhile, India maintains a 30 to 35% cost advantage over US and European manufacturers due to lower labor costs, efficiency improvements, and digital adoption. Technology is set to transform Indian pharma. McKinsey report suggests that AI and generative AI could unlock $60 to $110 billion in additional revenue, improve margins by 4 to 7%, and boost productivity by 50%. Leading contract development and manufacturing organizations have already invested $650 million to expand operations, reinforcing India's role in global pharma supply chains. But the sector faces disruptions. Digital transformation, automation, and new treatment modalities could reshape pharmaceutical operations. Geopolitical shifts and nearshoring trends pose additional risks. Now, the biggest immediate challenge comes from US tariffs on Indian pharmaceutical exports. The Trump administration has proposed a 25% tariff on pharma imports, a move that could significantly impact India's dominance in the generic drug space. While details are still emerging, the consequences could be severe for Indian companies and American consumers alike. Currently, Indian pharma exports to the US face zero import duty, while India imposes a 10% tax on US pharma imports. The US largely exports patented and innovative drugs, while India supplies low-cost generics, with India accounting for 60 to 65% of US generic drug volumes. Tariffs could disrupt supply chains and raise costs for American patients. Between 2013 and 2022, Indian generics saved the US healthcare system $1.3 trillion, including $219 billion in 2022 alone. Any tariff would drive healthcare inflation in the US and potentially cause drug shortages. Indian firms have three possible responses: passing costs to US consumers, expanding US-based manufacturing, or diversifying exports beyond the US. Some already have US facilities, but API tariffs remain a challenge. Indian pharma leaders are now in wait-and-watch mode, hoping for an early resolution through the India-US trade deal, currently which is under negotiation. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.